Merry Christmas to all the lovely children and my wonderful viewers. Welcome back to my channel. On this Christmas, I'm sure all the children here would be looking forward for some surprise gifts, some goodies or some wishes to come true by our dear Santa Claus. Santa Claus, Papa Santa, Santa Uncle, Mr. Santa, or whichever name you take, our Santa remains our Santa Claus and comes in every Christmas. You know, kids, not only the kids, but we adults also look forward for our Santa to bring us surprises or make our wishes come true. And all of us know who is the Santa in our life. You know, kids, when I was a child, what I used to do? I used to write a wish or a gift which I wanted in a piece of a paper and put it into the stockings. And the stockings, I used to hang it on the window. And I used to think that next morning, Santa is going to give me that gift. And you know what used to happen? Ta-ra! Next morning, I used to get that gift right there near the window. And I used to think the Santa has given the gift to me which I wanted. And today I know who the Santa was who used to put the gift in near the window. So kids, every year Santa comes during the Christmas and brings lot of gifts for every child. But you know, once what happened? You can never ever imagine what happened. Well, I would not create a lot of suspense and straight away start with the story. And this story is the Christmas for our dear Santa. Christmas is there for everybody. So once it was the best Christmas for our dear Santa. So children, it was a bright day, but of course very cold because Christmas falls in December and December falls in the winter season and winter season is of course very cold. The sky was very clear, but there was snow all around. Snow on the treetops, snow on the rooftops, everywhere a white layer of snow. Christmas was in the air. The merriness, the decorations, the gifts being wrapped, being purchased, visiting each and every friend, family, and so many things. But you know, it was so quiet near the Santa's hut. Why? Well, if you know that why, you will really feel sad. Our dear Santa was sick. He had fallen sick. Can you ever imagine Santa falling sick? No, I also don't think that Santa can ever fall sick. Well, Santa was lying inside his hut, thinking what to do. If the children are not going to get their presents, what would they think about their Santa? Meanwhile, when he was thinking this, suddenly he heard some noise outside his hut. And then he peeped outside and he saw that his reindeers were there. As usual, the reindeers were waiting outside. But this time what he saw, he couldn't even believe himself. He saw that there were a lot of children. There was a huge queue of children who were coming from behind the reindeer and jumping onto the snow. One by one, all the lovely little kids in beautiful and colorful clothes, one by one, coming towards the hut of Santa. And within no time, there was a knock on the door. And Santa walked up to the door and opened the door. And all the kids, one by one, started coming inside the Santa's house. And first came in one girl inside with this medicine in her hand. And then she gave this medicine to Santa. and said, Mr. Santa, I heard that you're not well. So I have brought this medicine. Please have the medicine and get well soon. Santa said to this girl, Thanks, Minnie. You're wondering how Santa knew the girl's name. Well, children, Santa knows the name of all the children. And Santa thanked Minnie and took the medicine from her. After some time, there came another girl. And you know what she had in her hand? She had a blanket in her hand. And she gave it to Santa and said, Santa Papa, please take this blanket. This blanket would keep you warm during this winter season. Me and my family had got this blanket for you to keep you warm. And Santa uncle said, Thank you, Tinny, for this lovely gift. This way, lot of kids were coming and bringing lot of gifts. Some of the kids brought some goodies for Santa uncle. Some brought some chocolates for Santa uncle. And some brought some puzzles, some candles, and some games for Santa uncle. One boy brought one even Christmas tree for our Santa uncle. This way, a lot of gifts were there in Santa's house. After some time, there came a small little girl, and there was a huge teddy in her hand. And she came and gave this teddy to Santa uncle and said, Santa uncle, this teddy is going to give you company, as well as this teddy is going to give you a warm hug so that you keep warm. And Santa uncle got so overwhelmed seeing all these things, and he again said, Thank you, little girl, my little girl Cindy. And then he was so happy seeing all the gifts. But being more happy seeing the gifts, he was really happy to see the little children around him, which was making him feel so much better. After some time, there came a boy with a book in his hand. You know what the book read? The book read, Stay positive and believe yourself and believe God. Seeing this, Santa was really so happy, and he said, Wow, Tony, you've got such a beautiful gift, such a beautiful book, which reads that Stay positive. Yes, and then Santa says to each child that we should always stay positive in life and also believe in ourselves. First, believe in God, because when we believe in God, He gives us strength to believe in ourselves. God will give some problems, but of course, every problem will have a solution. Because when you love God, God also loves you back and cares. He just tests you. And then Santa said, Thank you, and he kept the book with him. After some time, a girl came forward and said, Santa uncle, tell me, which is the best gift you liked? And Santa looked at each and every child, because everyone was looking at Santa Claus, thinking that Santa Claus is going to take which gift's name. But you know what? Santa uncle, what did he say? He said, My little children, these gifts are of course very precious to me. But the best gift what you all have given me is the love and kindness what you showed to me by coming here and showing me that you all care for me. And then Santa uncle gave a huge hug to every child and wished them a Merry Christmas and a lovely holiday. And all the children went back to their home. Christmas, of course, means kindness and love towards everybody. And in our life also, children. Humanity means showing love and care and respect and trust to our people who are our near and dear ones, our family, our friends, the people around us. Because when we care about them, we should show it to them through our actions. And these are the small actions how you prove that you care and love them. The same way how your parents do. They love you so much that they hug you, they kiss you every night, every morning when they wake you up, when you go to the bed, during the day, and they always pray for your well-being from God, give you lovely gifts, whatever you need in your life, they give it to you. And then they make good food for you, lovely gifts for you, surprises for you. And you also reciprocate to them the same way by showing your respect towards them. You know, children, for every parent, their child is their lifeline. And for every family member, their members are very important to each other. Even friends are also very important in life. So, I hope you have a merry and happy Christmas. Wish you all a Merry Christmas once again. But before I say bye-bye, do subscribe to my channel and like and share with your friends and family. Thank you.